Friends, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about advantages and disadvantages of C array. Now, the most important advantages of C array are given below. The first one is code optimization. Code optimization means we have to write less code to access the data. For example, suppose we have an array of 5 elements, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in order to access these elements we have to write a loop. For example, for I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus, and simply we have to give the name of an array. For example, the name of the array is given A, so printf percentile d A of I. So we don't have to write the code for each element, simply the name of the array is given and the data will be accessed. Now the second advantage is ease of traversing. Ease of traversing means by using the loop we can retrieve the elements in an easy way. So we just have to give a loop. We can do with the help of for loop, as I have previously told you. What we have to do, we have to give the init expression, we have to give the condition, and at last we have to give the update expression, and with the help of these loop the array elements will be accessed very easily. The third advantage is ease of sorting. Now, as we know that sorting is a technique by which we can arrange element in ascending or descending order. So with the help of array we can save the elements contiguously, and these elements are sorted with the help of sorting techniques. For example, we have bubble sort, we have quick sort, and various sorting techniques. Now the fourth advantage is random access. Now when we declare an array, all the elements shares the same namespace. For example, this element is accessed with the help of array name and index number. Again we have a1, again we have a2, again we have a3. Now we can access these elements one by one randomly. For example, in order to access this element, what we have to do, we have to just take a variable and give the index number. Now in order to print the element, what we have to do, we have to give the statement printf %d, and here we just have to mention the index number and the element will be printed here. For example, we have 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 will be printed here. So with the help of this, we can randomly access the array elements. Now these are the few most important advantages of array. Now let us look towards the disadvantages of using array. Now as we know that when we declare an array, the syntax is given by, for example, data type, array name and size. So as we know that C is a static language, means whatever we give at compilation time, the memory will be allocated to the elements. So let us take a program void main. Inside the main we have declare an array of 5 elements. So this is the size of the array. So in the memory these 5 blocks are allocated. Now suppose you have saved here only 3 elements. So these blocks are wasted, as we know that the array size is fixed. So we cannot exceed the limit. It means the array will not grow dynamically. Hope you have understood the advantages and disadvantages of array. Thank you very much.